So today, me and Michaela are down here in Chickasha, Oklahoma, going to an air show and a car show. And she's going to check out a bunch of cool cars and a bunch of cool airplanes, hopefully. Weather's a little overcast right now. Little cloudy out there, so hopefully we get some plane footage today. Hopefully we can get her into maybe a plane ride if they're giving them. Yeah. So this is what we're looking at today. Here in about 30 minutes we're going to start a STOL demonstration, short takeoff and landing. And then at 12 the air show begins. And all day children's activities. That's for you all day. So this is their hangar. They got a bunch of planes in here. Oh, it smells so good. Michaela, which one's your favorite in here? Big red one back there? Let's go take a look at it. A little dusty. Probably hadn't seen any skies in a while, huh?
Can you boost me up?
What do you think?
No.
You don't like this one?
No.
Why not?
I don't know.
Because it's all dusty
No.
and old looking?
No.
I think it's cool.
I think it's ugly.
There's no such thing.
Let's go to that one.
Which one? That one? Okay, let's go look at it. Oh, now we're talking. Oh, watch your head. That wing's actually just at head level. You'd knock yourself out there. All right.
Ooh, it looks really nice in there.
Yeah?
I think I like it.
It's a little passenger plane.
Yeah.
Look at this. This is where they work on them. All those old vintage parts back there.
Oh my gosh, I can still look.
Yeah. It looks like a project plane.
In there.
Yeah. Look at this. This is one of the engines.
He's working on it.
Yeah.
Are you working on that plane?
Sometimes.
Sometimes?
Yeah, sometimes. I come out and work on a little bit. Work on all around here a little bit.
You want to touch the propeller? Look.
This?
Yeah, that's the propeller. It's like a big fan and it blows the air past the plane so it can fly through the air. That's the nose cone.
This isn't short.
Nope,
It's curved.
it shouldn't be because they want it to be aerodynamic as possible so it can cut through the air.
Yeah. But it's cupped.
Yeah.
It's just like a giant cup, but it's this.
Yeah, you know why there's holes right there in the front? Because it's an air cooled,
Yeah.
so the air can get in there and cool it off. Oh, Michaela, look at that one. Pegasus. That's a Pitts. That's awesome. We got another little something or other over there. This one's pretty cool. This would be cool watching do some aerobatics.
But that's the guy.
What's that?
But without that cover.
Yeah.
Ooh, I like that blue one.
You like the blue one you said?
Yeah. That blue one.
I like the black one back there with the red checker tail. Yeah, this is the old Air Force's aerobatics team plane right here, Michaela. This one, the L-39 Albatross. This is their team, the Thunderbirds. I'm guessing this is one of the retired ones, or maybe it's a trainer.
And it's also curved.
Yeah, and then they got a German one over here.
There's a camouflage one. Now look at this camouflage one.
Yeah, that's the German one. Oh, I wish I could hop up in there. Oh, let's go look at this black one. This is a nice one.
I don't like that one right there beside this one.
Yeah?
Yeah, because the other one looks really nice. Okay, I'll step on the steps.
Is it fine if she looks in here? What do you think?
Good.
Yeah? Is it okay if I follow her in? Okay. Oh.
It's really soft.
Yeah? You gonna buy one of these one day?
No.
Why?
Because I don't want to.
Okay.
A lot of fun.
I don't think I want to get out.
Thank you.
You bet.
Oh. Oh, I'm too big for that one. What do you think of that?
Are you serious? I'm landing on the H area.
And touchdown.
No, good lord.
It's moving it.
You want to go take a look at that when it's stopped? Huh?
I like the John Deere tractor myself. You know who I did with? You know from.
I was just drinking it.
You're just drinking it? I was just drinking in this helicopter here. You gonna fly it?
So this one is a go around on the lever that basically just gives you indications and tells you how much power and how much where to put your steady state.
Yeah, your feet aren't are long enough to touch those pedals yet.
Yeah.
One of these days.
And are those things moving though?
Oh, the rotors? Yeah.
They're not moving?
Nope, they're not moving.
Press this.
A couple of those are communications. They got some flares on there. I don't know if those are active on this model though. All right, we're gonna get out so someone else can jump in.
It's very fun to see airplanes going up.
Yeah?
It's really boring to see airplanes going down, but it's also fun to see them going down.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Look at that, look. Yeah, they're getting ready too. You like that?
Oh, Dad, they're moving!
throttles coming forward on the L39s as they come in and approach from your right. Members of the Lone Star Jet Team. Once again, we're so excited to be here this weekend. We hope you're ready for a fun day here at Disney 2023.
Oh, he's coming in hot.
Low maintenance, easy to fly. Here they come in from the left. Russell.
He's coming in low. There he goes with the smoke. There he
Here they come from the right this time. Again, get the cameras ready. One final pass in the L39s for photo pass. Delta formation. Falcon flight is a Texas-based formation flying team founded in the early 1990s. All Falcon flight team members fly experimental category Army aircraft constructed with fixed advanced aircraft and networking. Most Falcon flight pilots own their own aircraft. Get your cameras ready, ladies and gentlemen. The photo pass from Falcon flight from your left.
Yeah. They're getting in landing position.
Daddy, there's 7 up there.
That landing gear is taking a beating. Oh my goodness. That is skill.
Baby, you can't get in there. You can't get in there. I'm watching.
Went behind the trees. Wow. That's so cool. Just dragging the wing, no big deal. That's awesome. That's probably cooler than the albatrosses. your face painted?
Yes.
That looks good. That's really good. Oh, you got some stars. You got some clouds. You got all different colors. Kind of match your earrings a little bit.
Yeah. This is the kind of thing I use for the bubble gum.
Did you hear it?
This fell over.
There we go.
I was about to drown this thing.
Like that.
So we just wrapped it up at the air show. Michaela got her face painted. Got to pet a lot of dogs. That was the most important thing. Got to go see the car show that was attached to it. There was a pretty good amount of cars there that were classics, nicely restored and everything. Got to go watch all the planes that you get to see in the video. We ended up talking to the Blackhawk crew for a little while. Got to hang out with those guys, the Albatross crew. Met a lot of cool people. Talked to a lot of cool people the whole day. She made a lot of new friends, played with a lot of different toys, whooped my butt in Tic-Tac-Toe and Connect 4, is it? Was that the name of the game? Yeah, I think it's Connect 4. What was your favorite part? Playing? Yeah. What was your favorite plane out there? Silver, black, and blue. Are you talking about the ones that had the smoke that were flying in formation? The little ones? Which ones are you talking about?
Oh, yeah.
It was one of those? Yeah. Yeah, my favorite one ended up being that black and silver Cessna that was just, it's a little gig they play. I think they were pretending he was drunk. I kind of started on recording it late because she was getting her face painted. But he was doing some crazy skilled maneuvers, flying behind the trees. You guys see it. But yeah, it was a lot of fun. It turned out to be really hot. There's a storm rolling in, so we figured we'd pack it in. It's 1:40 in the afternoon now, so we were here for about almost 5 hours, just hanging out. So I appreciate y'all watching. And what do you say, Michaela?
Yeah. I hope y'all liked our videos we sent to you.
Yep. All right, we'll see you next time.